You're Mexican.
Good job. You just knocked over my shit.
What's up, everybody? It's another episode of Cooking with Gmoney.
I already not been shut down yet.
Okay, so today I'm filming this at Jose's house because he's got a better kitchen than me.
What the fuck you say? Better than any other person that Gmoney's had in his videos.
Okay, so now right now.
Do that? I let you into my sanctuary. What do? You kill my future kids. I can't believe you've done this.
Nigga acts like he gonna impregnate somebody. Alright, so this episode of fuck you. Alright, so on this episode of Gmoney Cooks, we are going to be getting some ingredients.
Wait, I thought we were playing I thought we were doing a Gmoney plays.
We did that yesterday. Okay.
Go chill.
This is good.
That's that good shit. That's that good shit.
We're gonna use it in the recipe, nigga.
You're not wasting this crap. You're a Mexican. Shout out to these cookies because you already know what's up. You can't ruin this shit. I'll fuck you up, alright?
We got some Apple Jacks. Fine, compromise. Take one.
Here, I'll give you the one that's already open.
Just give me the one that's already open.
Good fucking job!
This Metamucil probably could be good for fiber.
Okay, first off, this is vitamin C, not fiber. Okay. Yep.
Alright, we got some Chupa Chews. We got these granola bars. We got some chocolate syrup because that's pretty sexy. We got some. We got like a barely full fucking mint chocolate chip thing.
Yo, hold up, Gmoney. Did you forget?
What?
This video is sponsored by Amino. Go download the app. It has so many communities and your favorite fandoms.
It didn't even focus on the phone at all.
Oh, here you go.
We got popcorn chicken. That's always.
You do? Yo, shout out to our sponsor, Amino.
Stop trying to sponsor us by Amino, bro. We're not sponsored by Amino.
Do you want to make money?
And last, but definitely not least, Uncrustable. This nigga actually took a bite out of the thing.
Yeah, frozen.
Nigga, my recipe, nigga. Nah, fuck it. I need your essence in this fucking recipe. Totally forgot we had Little Caesars yesterday. What's left in here?
I don't know.
Shh. Whatever it is, it's going in the recipe. You want me to close your fridge? On this episode of Gmoney Cooks, we are cooking the Gmoney Popper Chicken Nutter Butter plus garlic. Alright, now the first thing you want to do, you want to take some of these chicken nutter buggers and you want to go and find Jose's fucking expensive cutlery. What did I just say? Cutlery? What are you doing that? And you want to get Jose's fancy cutlery. And,
Do not break my shit!
Fucking, how much does it say on the bag?
Oh my fucking god.
We're making this into a nice recipe. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to take your microwave.
Bruh.
And you want to put this in here. How many minutes? Alright, now that we're cultivating our food, now we have to get ready the stuff we're going to put in it. So we got to take this and take our nice Mexican and give it to him and have him chew it up and spit it out. That's right. Chew it nice and slowly.
I'm your girlfriend.
Your girlfriend chews your dick, nigga. Alright, well that's being chewed by our lovely assistant. We're gonna prepare the sauce. So what you want to do is you want to take that that is a nice sauce. And
No wonder your channel's dying. You're like Deji. Dead.
Hey guys, Comedy Shorts Gamer here.
Move your fat fucking ass!
I dent the wall.
Bro.
Where?
So you could have got this shit stained.
Aw, I'm sorry. I'll make sure to throw something less stainable. Alright, next we take the fucking buttery garlic sauce and we just fucking it's like egg yolk. That's actually what this is. It just looks like straight egg yolk. Ah, there we go.
Oh, nigga.
Alright, time to do the second one. Oh, shit.
I took a shower today, man. I smell so clean. I smell like fucking butter.
Hey buddy, that's not a bad thing. I smell like butter naturally.
Chickens don't use butter!
Don't kill me, don't kill me.
Chicken's ready.
Our chicken is ready. Oh.
Bro, why is this dead ass cooked?
I'm a good chef, what do you expect?
You use the microwave.
Alright, now we're gonna take this popcorn chicken and we are going to put it inside. Oh yeah, it's like a nut. Now what you want to do is you want to take the rest of the ingredients and disperse it evenly.
Are you really gonna waste that?
We got a chupa chup. We got more cheese bread. We got a frozen Uncrustable that you ate in half of during this fucking recording.
Hold up, let me get a bite before I eat it.
Yes! Get a bite.
You haven't even fucking defrosted!
It's so soft now.
And then the last ingredient. Perfect.
You better eat this.
Now the last thing.
Oh my god.
Just gotta add a little bit extra fiber.
Alright, be careful because I actually don't know where that came from. How are you not dead from diabetes or yet? Like, good god, you're like the poster boy for
It's like
diabetes.
building up an immunity.
Yeah, because your nerves are so fucked they can't feel anything. One fucking Applejack out of everything you wasted.
I don't want to get fat. This was a wonderful, exquisite piece I've just created. I really had inspiration from the man himself, Gordon Ramsay. He touched me in a bathroom urinal.
What's so fucking complicated?
Now what you want to do is you want to take oh my god, I just realized if this is actually nasty, I have nothing to drink.
Yeah.
Oh well, now what you want to do is you want to cut the granola bar.
Okay, careful with like the thing beneath you.
Uh-huh.
The placemat. Dude.
Stop being a pussy.
I'm not a pussy, this is my house. You're
No,
fucking it up.
Yeah, I know.
I don't come in your house and fuck your shit up. Bruh.
I can name a couple of things you fucked. I'm fat. Fat. I'm sitting here eating a fucking granola bar with a knife.
We'll put that on your grave. Granola bar with a knife.
Ugh.
A fucking steak knife for that
Now we
matter.
gotta. She's very exquisite. I took my time with this piece. This.
You gotta peel the skin off.
You peel the skin. Some say granola bars are just the distant ancestors of bananas. Some will never know. Bro, if I'm gonna stomach all this down, I need water. I need water. You feel me?
Yes.
I hate you. I'm gonna eat your dick. I'm gonna chop off your dick and put it in this recipe. Alright, so next we got our beautiful.
Yo, shout out to our other sponsor, Who Mix.
I'm a huge chew on your dick.
Joke's on you.
You don't have a dick anymore.
How is it?
Pretty good. I'm tasting some mint ice cream.
You're like worrying me with that knife.
Why? Why am I gonna die?
I feel like you're gonna stab yourself on accident.
Do it for the 57 views. That's really all this is gonna get. Let's eat that one delicious Applejack.
Applejack's nice. Thought you stabbed the placemat.
No, you're more caring about the placemat than your friend.
Oh yeah, you're expendable. My house isn't. Bitch boy!
I know I'm fat, but I'm not extendable.
Expendable!
Okay, first of all, it's not expendable, it's expandable, nigga. Who the fuck says expendable?
You said extendable.
And you said expendable!
And who's more close?
Me! Because I said an actual word! That's in the English dictionary! You get a POV shot with that. Alright, now we got...
Show them, show them, show them.
No.
You're disgusting.
Oh, yeah. And we do this. Grease. Grease, nigga. Alright, next we got our nice popper nutter butter. Oh, yeah. You know life as you go. Alright. This one's got a little bit from the Uncrustable Crustable. So we can just... Oh, yeah. The nutter butter.
You know what's funny?
What?
I wanted to film a mukbang with you guys, and yet here I am. You guys say no, yet here I am filming your fat ass eat.
I never said no.
You did!
When?
You said that's what YouTubers do when they're failing.
You know, this piece actually comes from Palestinian cuisine.
What the fuck? What kind of cuisine has a fucking jelly and peanut butter sandwich?
Well, see, when we were in Palestine in the desert, we get the food from the Americans. When they throw it in their space shuttle and it lands on Palestine, that's why it's just a desert. And then we just took any scraps and put it into there. This is our favorite cuisine.
Are we almost done?
I don't know. Look inside and see. God. It's okay. We got 10 minutes left.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Alright, here you go, Jose.
I'm not eating that.
You're eating one bite.
I'm not eating that shit.
One. Do it.
I'm not eating that shit. No.
You have to try one bit. I am the chef. I get to enjoy this, but you have to enjoy it with me. It's actually not that bad.
I'm not eating that.
It's not as bad as the pee-pee sauce. The pee-pee sauce was just awful. This is actually stomachable.
Yeah. How's the chicken?
Pretty good, yeah. Are you getting with this angle?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I love how you can just catch the pure Mexican of this fucking cuisine. Just...
Alright. How would you rate this meal?
I rate this 5 naked dancing Gmoneys out of 5.
Well, see you next Thursday. Remember, get this video to 2,000 likes and we'll put up merchandise on the Gmoney website by the end of October. That says, I forgot, what did I say earlier?
Something about Mexicans.
Money on my motherfucking mind. Cut 5 haircuts at the same time. White gold pants, jet ski, Metawan. Foie gras bust of Albert Einstein. Get money.